man, look, we in the dome, and when we in the dome, we at home. Basically, too much Steelers fans here, and we can't disappoint these people. We got out here and win today. You know what it is? They just do that today. Must win, must win.
We going where the big dogs take us. Let's go. We brought that bus, y'all. We gonna do it again.
That means every snap dominant.
We put all the chips forward, man. It's playoff football for us.
Just win. Just win.
Oh yeah, my mom wish me luck. That's every day though. Every week. Same old, same old.
You have something you can't grow on.
Deep drop, fires it down the field. It's caught. Antonio Brown crossing around at the 49-yard line in Pittsburgh territory. That was a well-executed bubble screen. Running left. Here comes Le'Veon Bell. Around the block. Up over the 35. 45-50. 45-40. And he's down at the 39. Down. Squeezem's kick is on its way, and that kick is good. He's going to throw it. Deep drop. He has protection. Throws it down the field. It's intercepted. That's Bill Gay. He goes up the sideline. 40, 35. Hesitates at the 30. Inside at the 25. He's in the 15. He's in the 10. And he's in for the touchdown. Will Gay with another pick six. He sets a new single-season Steelers record. 3 pick sixes. That's a three-pack if any way you check it. Ryan back. Here comes Big Rush.
That was a thing of beauty, man. For Jason Rose.
Throws it long down the left sideline, and there's out-of-bounds catch.
Oh, he made that catch.
Did he do the toe grab?
Yeah, he did.
The give to Bell. Bell into the end zone. Pittsburgh Steelers touchdown. Le'Veon Bell on the season. That's his sixth. Le'Veon turns the corner. He's at the 5. He's to the pylon and skips into the end zone for the Pittsburgh Steelers touchdown.
That's all she wrote.